How to add reviews on Shopify. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and move into the site shopify.com. And make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, head over to Add Apps. Scroll down and find the option of Shopify App Store. Click on it. Well, in the search bar, search for reviews. Different apps for the reviews will be available to you. You can head over to any one of it. Let me move into this one. Tap on Install. Once again, tap on Install App at the top right corner. It will take a while for it to install. And once it has been installed, it will land you on this interface. Now from here, you don't have to do anything. Simply import your reviews to the Shopify account and then you'll be good to go. From here, you can also request the status and also manage the reviews. So that's it, and this is simply how you can add reviews on Shopify. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.